Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can use the stand on your PlayStation 5 horizontally and vertically. So this is the stand here, and you can see at this moment this cover is closed and this is kicked up. If we turn it this way, this goes down and the cover uncovers a screw. That's for vertical. So for horizontal, we want it in that orientation there with that covered up. Have a look at the back of your console and you will see some PlayStation emblems here. If we locate these two bits on the squares, then you will have it spot on. So we're just going to clip on these two bits onto the squares here. And push them home like that. And now you can see it's in the middle and it will be nice and sturdy and flat, and it won't want to wobble off that position there. Now let me show you how to do it vertically. So when it comes to vertical, we're going to move this round here like that. We're going to uncover the screw. You just need to lift it from here and it will come out. That's the threaded bit there. There's a little hole that it goes into and it clips into place. So just take it out like so. And we need to go to the bottom of the console. And you will see that we have a little access point here just covered up. You need to use a little pry tool or your nail and just go in here and you can take that out there and it uncovers a little screw thread. We're going to put the console like that, so you've got the exhaust fins on the back here with the HDMI port, and we're going to locate these bits here onto these bits. So this is uncovered now, this is kicked down, and that goes onto there, and all we have to do is get the screw. It will locate into the screw thread that we just uncovered, and we need to do it up clockwise. I'm using a coin. And you might wonder what we do with this little cap here, because you know you're going to lose it. Well, you won't, because Sony have given you a little place to put it in here. So you just put it in here and press it home, and now you can see that's not going to go anywhere. So if you want to change it later to horizontal, you can do. So that's it. That's how to install the stand properly, horizontally and vertically. Thanks for watching.